Hey y'all, it's your girl Haley Elise and I am back with another natural hair tutorial, and this week I'm going to show you all how I create my traditional box braids. So let's get into these products. First, I have my Rual braiding hair. I do have 36 inches in this beautiful ombre color, which is black and this light brown. Next up, I have my favorite braiding gel. I'll be using two different foams. Then I have a comb, small perm rods, and hair clips. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, my hair is completely braided, so I'm going to just show you how to do it on one. However, before we begin our braid, we have to go ahead and section out some hair. So as I explained in my last braiding tutorial, how much hair you use is completely up to you. Just make sure that you're using enough to match the density of your plait. That's really how I go about it. So after I've sectioned off my hair, I go ahead and apply my braiding gel, making sure that I'm laying it down on every side. Okay, y'all, we got to keep it clean and keep it cute. From here, we're going to go ahead and add a piece of our braiding hair. As you can see here how I'm gripping it, and all I'm going to do is wrap it around my plait, almost like a rope. Typically when you braid, you have 3 plaits. The hair I'm adding in is going to serve as 2 strands of hair, whereas my hair is going to be that 3rd piece. So I'm just going to wrap around my plait and begin to braid my hair like normal. Super simple. Most people don't believe it, but it really is. So again, you're just going to use that extra braiding hair, rope it around your plait, and then just begin to braid the hair in. Also, just make sure that you're showing yourself some grace. It does take time to get your grip game right, you know, and get everything tight and sleek, but you can do it, I promise. This next part can be a little bit tricky, but bear with me, okay? So you're going to get to a point to where your real hair is running out, and you're going to need to add hair to that middle part, which is your hair. So I typically wait until my hair is back in the middle of the braid, and then from there, I'm literally just bringing small pieces over to the middle to add to where my hair is running out, and I just continue to braid. And from there, you're just going to continue to repeat this step as necessary as you continue to finish your braid. This next part is my favorite. I finally learned how to do an invisible closing on my braids, so I'm going to teach y'all real quick. So all you do is take one piece out of the end of your braid, and then you're going to wrap that around 1 or 2 of your fingers, and then you're going to loop it through the middle of the circle that you've created. So basically you're just creating a knot, and then with that excess piece of hair down the middle, you're just going to pull it down, and voila, you have a little knot. This knot is a little bit messy, of course, because I've recorded this once, but I'm just gonna wrap it one more time, and it's gonna clean it up a little bit, and that way you have an invisible knot, and so it's really cute at the end. Alright y'all, and then last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and add my foam to the ends of my braids. I'm gonna comb it through real quick, and then I'm just gonna begin to curl the ends. And once that is over, I'm going to let it dry a little bit, and then I'm going to dip my hair into some hot water, and voila y'all, look at that curl. So beautiful. Look, I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to see the final product, so here we go. Okay, so I mean this in the humblest way, but I did that, y'all. And you can do it too. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be just fine. Real quick, I wanted to cover why I actually went back to traditional box braids. I know right now, knotless braids are in, it's the move, it's a whole vibe. I get it. However, there is a place for traditional box braids, and I did them because I'm about to go on vacation to Costa Rica, and when we talk about water and sweat, we know with black hair, all it's going to do is curl and shrink up, and I really wanted to maintain my roots in this look as long as I could, so I went with traditional box braids, okay? If you're not getting your hair wet and you're wanting more of a natural look, knotless braids are always the way to go, but it just depends on time and place. But that's enough of that. Y'all, let's get into these curls and the rest of this look. Alright y'all, that is a wrap. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. As usual, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe video. I'll see you all later.